Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can make your Instagram posts automatically shared on threads. So first of all, let me go here and type instagram.com, then create a post. So let me select one of the image, this one, and after that click on next button. Then you can add some filters and apply adjustments, then again click on next button. Now scroll down, here you can see the button share to threads. You can enable this button and after that click on share button. So now you can easily promote your posts on social media platforms as well as on threads. So after that, let me go on threads and show you if that post is available on threads platform. Now simply click on profile tab, scroll down, and now here you can see 1 minute ago this post is shared from the